To create a basic table in HTML for your web page, you first create the table tag. Then you create the TR tag. And TR stands for creating a row. And then you need to create your first column. And that's the TD tag. So we'll write first, then we'll close the TD tag, which is your column, and then we'll close the row column, or we'll close the row tag, which is TR, and then we need to close the full table. So there's one cell in the table, we'll save it, and there's the word first. So you can see it better, we'll add a border to the table. So in the table tag, take border equals double quote, and we'll just go 1. Save it, refresh, and there's our first cell. So say you want another cell right next to the first one horizontally. So you want to keep it in the same row. So you'll create another column tag, which is TD, and then we'll type second, because that's what we want it to say, and we'll close the column tag with the /TD, and we'll save it, and it should say first, then second, and it should still be in the table. So there we have first, second. So we have 2 columns and 1 row. So now you want to create a row, and we'll put third, fourth. So third will go under first, and fourth will go under second. So to do this, to create a new row, the tag is TR. And you always have to start a new column within a row. So we'll write third, and then we'll close the column tag, and we'll close the row tag. And when we save this, we have first, second, third, and then that's blank because we have not created another column in the second row. So to create the fourth slot, we do the new column tag, which is TD. We'll type what we want inside the new column, which is fourth. We'll close the column tag, /TD. We'll save it. Now our table should say first, second, third, and fourth. So you can create as many rows and columns in a table as you would like. So to create a new row is using the TR tag. To create a new column is the TD tag. So let's create one more column in the first row. So to do this, we go in the first TR tags, and we create another TD, which will create a new column, and we'll call it third. And we have to close the column tag, and we'll save it, and now it should say first, second, third on the first row. Refresh, and there it is, first, second, and third. And to make the table look better, you add another column to the second row, and we'll do that. So the TD tag to create the column, and we'll type 5. Save it. There we have first, second, third on the top row, and we have third, fourth, 5 on the second row. Now let's put in here more meaningful names. So this is the first row, comma, first column. And in the second slot, we have the first row, but we have the second column. And then in the third slot, we're still in the first row, but we're in the third column. And then in this third slot, underneath the first, we're now in the second row of the first column. In the fourth slot, we're in the second row of the second column. And finally, in the fifth slot, we're still in the second row, and we're in the third column. So we'll save this, and now our table shows first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, and third column. So this is how you create a basic table in your web page using HTML.